Soothing rhythm breathing. When we become stressed, our breathing tends to become fast and shallow. And we can counteract this by creating a slow and deep breathing style that allows us to slow down and become more centred. By practicing a soothing breathing rhythm, we can change our physiology and help activate our soothing system. This can dampen down our threat system and help stabilise our emotions and thinking. So let's begin. Take a few moments to adopt a grounded, upright and confident body posture. Now let your attention settle on the breath. Observing the breath wherever you feel it most clearly. In the belly, or the chest, or the passing of air through the nose. Notice the rhythm of the breath. And perhaps noticing the body moving with each breath. Now see if you can find a soothing or calming breathing rhythm. Take some time to experiment with this, to explore what your breathing rhythm would be like if it had a soothing or calming quality to it. This is likely to be a slower and deeper rhythm than usual, but one that feels comfortable to your body. See if you can imagine a sense of slowing down in your body as you breathe. If you notice your attention moving away from your breath, or that you've become distracted in any way, gently bring your attention back to your breath and tune into the calming or soothing quality of your breathing rhythm. Slowing down our breathing rhythm to approximately 5 seconds per in-breath and 5 seconds per out-breath, combined with an even, deep breathing rhythm, can produce a particularly helpful physiological balance between your sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems. So let's try that. Breathing in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathing out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're breathing into 5 seconds and breathing out 5 seconds. And perhaps noticing a pause between the in-breath and the out-breath. So I'm going to leave you to do that for 2 minutes. So we can practice soothing rhythm breathing to give us a sense of becoming slow and still in the body, feeling grounded but with an alert mind, with each breath bringing with it a sense of soothing and slowing.